So I'm sure you've not tried this kind of coconut recipe before. Welcome back to my page. Today I'll be sharing a very simple coconut recipe. I'll start by grinding my coconut. Next, I'll add my groundnut oil inside the pot. Once the oil is heated, I'll go in with my chopped onions and stir. And add my parboiled rice. I'll stir this a little bit and go in with my seasoning cubes. Crayfish and salt. I'll stir this till they are mixed together. And finally add our coconut milk. Stir and let this cook for 15 minutes. And now I went ahead to check the pot and the water was already dried up. I'll turn off my gas and bring it down. And for this particular part, I'll be using my frying pan. I've placed my fan on fire and I'll be turning my gas on. I'll add groundnut oil into the pan. Once the oil is heated, I'll go in with my onions. Stir for a while. Go in with my pepper and stir to combine. And add my smoked fish as well. I'll stir this for a minute. And finally, add it to the pot and give this a good mix. And our coconut rice is ready. I hope you will try this. Thanks for watching.